Hello everyone, dear friends. I haven't posted anything for a long time. I've been busy with a new challenging project all this time. This time I'm making a Nissan GTR 35 out of this, as usual, NSP clay. And I'm making it with great quality, using all my skills and abilities for this project, and I already have something to show you, as of now. I've made half of the car, the entire side of the body with the roof pillars, a bit of the rear part, and the fully finished underbody. Yes, building the car is taking a while, but I'm focusing on quality and carefully highlighting every detail of the body. At the moment, 50% of the car is already done. It will take me more than a month to finish it, but I think I should be able to complete it by December or at least by New Year's. Yes, of course, it takes a long time, but this GTR will turn out very beautiful and it will be the best model made out of clay. So don't lose track of my channel, everything will happen, just not very quickly. Quality takes time. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit the bell so you don't miss notifications when the video with this clay GTR comes out. So, since I'm making the 35th GTR, I wanted to make it like the one blogger Bulkin has, basically. So, here comes the Nissan GTR subtitles. Subscribers may recall that I sculpted his Rolls-Royce about 2 years ago.
I understand, guys. Seriously, I'm saying this honestly. It's some kind of miracle, damn it. It's a miracle. It's really a miracle. That can't be. How can one person, not at some factory, not some engineer, do this? Just take some clay and sculpt a car.
And I even managed to send him that model, so now I'm making this GTR for him too, and I'd really like to send him such a cool model as well. I'm making the car itself very sturdy so you can pick it up and take a closer look without being afraid of breaking anything on the model. That's why I'm making the body parts very thick. The construction turns out to be solid and reliable. I also reinforce everything with wire to make it even stronger. For example, I reinforce the pillars, roof and cabin floor with wire, attaching it to the clay with super glue. This makes the car very sturdy. As you can see, I still need to finish shaping the rear. I'll keep refining this and adding more details. In terms of the body geometry, the car turns out even and very similar since I'm constantly comparing everything with the blueprints and making sure everything matches the original car. I also review the model in 3ds Max and Forza Horizon 5. Also in this model, I made it so that the wheels can turn. Now they can turn simultaneously, not separately as before. In the old models, I still need to make the trunk, interior, roof, engine, front part, hood and wheels. There's still a lot of work to do. I showed you an intermediate stage of sculpting, what I'm able to do. I hope you found it interesting and already like what I'm making. Subscribe to my creative channel, give a like for my efforts, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.